No headshots, low quality image, or a selfie on your LinkedIn page. I have a bad news for you. You are losing the business. Remember, you only have 3 seconds to make a great first impression. Hi, my name is Jay Nandha and welcome to my channel. Most important tool, or I should say key in your online presence is your headshots. 8 billion people on the earth, 3 billion plus have internet access. Your potential client may be checking your online profile or a website before they get in touch with you. Time to think. If you are using a selfie or a picture from the night out on your profile, I wonder what's going to happen. LinkedIn profile that have a professional headshots image can get more clicked compared to the profile without the image or only have a casual image. Because professional headshots can convey your approach towards the work and reflect your personality, thus your client will take you more seriously since you have a professional online profile. You must have heard it many times that first impression is everything. Potential client will only take things forward if your profile make a good impression. It means you may be losing the business by not having up-to-date profile. Your headshots is like your logo of your personal brand. That is why it is important to make sure your headshot is clear, help to know you and your personality. Professional photographer can ensure that your personality shines through the image. From capturing your smile beautifully to ensure that you come across confident and not too rigid. This can have a positive impact on your online presence. Remember, you are the brand. Headshot is important for both your personal branding as well as your business branding. A professional photo adds credibility to your profile. Just by having a neat online presence with the active social media pages, website and professional headshots of you and your team member can take out a lot of competition. This is simply because most of the people searching online have a very short attention span and only visit the page and the profile that have visually neat, informative and can convey the message that you have the solution for them. So it is very important to stand out from the crowd. If you are browsed through some of your competitor profiles, you may come across a blurry photos, a picture cut out from a group photos, and sometimes no image at all. Your competitor may be very good at what they do, but their profile is not conveying that message. So call of action after watching this video should be search online for a nearest headshot photographer. Remember, not all the studios do headshots and not all the photographers are headshots photographer. So go to a photographer who is specialized in headshots photography. If you are from Leicester UK, you can check my headshots portfolio. Link is in the description below. Thank you for watching this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye for now.